Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this 800 series Bosch dishwasher. The full model number is going to be SHE878ZD5N. Now it does have up to 6 cycles and 6 options. To give you an idea of what those all are, autofill is going to be, it determines the weight of your dishes. It'll fill up automatically for you. Eco. It's an Energy Star machine, so that's great. Speed 60, done in a 60-minute cycle. Rinse is self-explanatory. Delay can hold up to a 24-hour delay on the dishwasher, so you can preset it, all that kind of stuff. Half load, again, half the load. Delicate, sanitize, uses a really good sanitize, kills up to 99.9% bacteria. Crystal dry, which basically turns moisture into heat, which will like completely dry all your plasticware, your Tupperware, and all that kind of stuff. All right, so looking inside the machine here, it's all stainless steel on the inside. We have this rack right here, which will split into 2. I won't do it because I've managed to break a few, not intentionally, but they do split, so you need 1 or 2. Also, all the excess food and all that kind of stuff and gunk will go in there, so you can move that out. Most of the Bosch's things have that. So we got this second rack here. The rack is adjustable, so it goes up and down, 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 and down. So it kind of gives you more space for bigger dishes, all that kind of stuff. This is going to be for any wine glasses, stem glasses, which is helpful. I know that I would use them. All right, and then we have our third rack, which is either used for flatware. I'll just take this out real quick. So you can either use it for flatware, like spatulas, I don't know, other various utensils, or you can line up your cutlery or your silverware like this, knives and forks, spoons, and all that kind of stuff. Also isn't a flexible rack, so essentially they claim that you'll be able to fit like a small espresso cup or a teacup or something in there, and that'll it's a really cool feature as well. Cool. So that's all I have on this dishwasher, guys. Don't forget to like and
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.